Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Man Cake. I'm Dan.
I'm Jim.
And today we are making donuts. Giant donut in the corner.
Donut holes. Oh my. Moving forward.
So to start, we're gonna go ahead and mix all of our dry ingredients together. You wanna be my soup baker?
I will mix it up for you.
Mix it up. All right. So what we're gonna need is 2.5 cups of flour. But we're gonna double it, so let's throw in another batch. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. And double that one up. 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. And just double that one up again. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Times that by 2. And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Double that.
Alrighty. Mixing.
Just go. There we go.
Woo!
It's not gonna be too much of a mess like it was.
Just like last week.
Just like last week. Now with all those dry ingredients combined, we're gonna go ahead and move that to the side. We'll just throw that right there. And then we are gonna go ahead and get our butter and our sugars creamed together until it's kind of like a white fluffy cloud.
Oh, I like that.
Like Lukitu
Ooh.
from Super Mario. You remember Lukitu?
That flying guy that throws the red things at you.
Yeah, with the
I
little
hated him.
fishing ball. Oh, he's so cute.
That level's hard.
What was the one? There was one you can like ride on the cloud. Was that Super Mario 2, 3? With the raccoon tail.
Isn't that, what's that suit called? Like the Tory suit or something. Anyway.
The Lukitu suit. So let's
Is
go
it?
ahead and maybe.
No. That's wrong.
We're going to get our mixer out. And if you don't have a stand mixer, you can just do this with any handheld mixer, or go even more classic and just do with a good old fork, or like we said last week, a dingle hopper. No, So we're gonna go ahead and start with our butter. And single serving, just 12 donuts, is going to be 1 stick of butter. Add another 1/2 cup of sugar, but in this case,
A whole cup.
and then 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Times that by 2. I'm bad with math, even though I'm going for finance.
Fractions.
2/4 cups of brown sugar. Start slow, because the sugar might bounce all over the place. Then we're gonna need 2 eggs. Again, standard recipe, but we double
Up it.
So we'll need 4 total eggs. And then we're gonna need a tablespoon of vanilla extract, or in this case, 2. We'll go ahead and mix it up a little faster. So now we're gonna go ahead with our eggs and vanilla and everything else all in there. We're gonna go ahead and do the flour with the milk also. Milk wise, we just need 1 cup of milk. In this case, 2. So let's get our flour. You brush your hair with it.
With the dingle hopper.
They don't have it. now we're going to go ahead and lift that up. Get some of that flour that flew everywhere else. So now that our batter is just about combined, what I like to do next is dump it into piping bags.
Ooh.
So you can go ahead and, actually let me get this off first if you want to hold that. Let's actually move this away. Just like that.
Don't move.
It could be a half. So we'll go ahead and if you want to roll down the sides a little bit.
Roll it down.
And you just
Filler.
Now how much goes in each bag? Well, this is double the recipe, so we're gonna fill 2 bags. Just divide it between the 2. Enough to fill 4 donut pans. You won't believe how many we're making. 24. Ooh. It smells like really good dough. Does it smells like pretzel dough? But there's no soda. Or seltzer water. Club soda. Club soda. How would you do this by yourself? Legs, feet, or just make a mess like I did right there. They probably make a thing to hang these in. Do they? See, I'm Jim Shepherd. If it doesn't exist, I just find it. Kind of like a banana hammock, but for your piping bag. An actual banana hammock. Well, I guess it doesn't work either way. Sorry for the image.
that one's done. So now we can just roll up the sides. So we'll just go ahead and pipe our batter.
Ooh.
How much do you put in? Just a circle? Just a circle. Is that enough? Right there. Yeah. No. You still want to kind of fill it so these pop up. Now usually you want to use a tip. Just a tip.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Open the lid.
Woo!
Oh,
It is like the gates of hell.
it's like the Arizona heat. It's dry heat.
How about no heat?
I love no heat. Alright, we will see you in about 15 minutes.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Hey Siri,
Uh-huh.
set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, counting down from 15 minutes.
This is what they're supposed to look like.
This is a little big.
A little big. You can never be too big of a donut though, but there's no actual like ring through it, so you can't put it on if you like it. Is that how the song goes?
If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. I think that's all right.
So I say we just start dipping away
That sounds good to me.
and go crazy with it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put our pan up. And then we will start dipping in the icing. What color should we start with first?
Blue.
Colorblind? So which blue?
That one.
The blue.
Baby blue.
I like it.
Ooh, drippy.
That's a donut. Alright. You ready for the second part?
Second part?
Second part of donut decorating. Reese's, Toblerone, Kit Kat.
Toblerone.
Toblerone is like that Swedish chocolate that's like in a bar. blue sprinkles, pink sprinkles, chocolate jimmies, and what else? Peanut butter M&Ms. Our donuts. What do you think?
Holy crap.
So these are all for me?
Sure.
Is that how that works? No? Alright.
That one, and that one, and that one.
I like the Reese's and Kit Kat and Silverware. I'll take all the chocolate. So now that these are all done and ready to go, we're gonna go snack on them because I'm so hungry. Well, be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and that little bell. This way you can get notified when we do more donuts. I'm thinking next time we do 500. What do you think?
20, 500, doable.
I think 500 is doable.
A bathtub full of donuts.
Bathtub full of donuts. There's the thumbnail right there.
Sounds good to me.
Well, you guys have a great time. And again, like, subscribe, make some donuts. Bye.